Hey guys, Jacob here with another product spotlight video for you guys today. Today I want to feature our 6.0 liter and 6.4 liter Powerstroke billet fuel and oil filter caps. So these are pretty awesome product. They are billet aluminum, they're black anodized. Our part numbers for these are ZZ-14, which is the 6.0 liter fuel filter cap, ZZ-15, which is the 6.0 liter and 6.4 liter oil filter cap, and ZZ-16, which is a 6.4 liter fuel filter cap. These can either be purchased individually, as you see them here, or you can buy them as a kit for your 6.0 liter Powerstroke, or a kit for your 6.4 liter Powerstroke, so that you have oil and fuel. Check these out on our website. These are a great upgrade for you guys. The plastic caps suck on those trucks, as you guys already know, and we highly recommend you guys putting these on your vehicle. We do them in our service facility quite often. You can find these products on our website at zzdiesel.com, along with a lot of other billet great products that we make as well as other companies make. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-749-0688.